In this video, I'm going to be sketching y equals x take away 3 times x plus 3. So let's draw some axes first. Now, with this, it's already in factorized form, okay? Which means you can identify easily where it crosses the x-axis. So the reason why it's quite easy is because if I think about where the x-axis is, that's when y is 0. So if we look at when y is 0, we get 0 is equal to x take away 3 times x plus 3. So that means that either x take away 3 is 0 or the x plus 3 is 0. So x equals 3 or x equals minus 3. Now, you could read that straight off by the fact of looking at this going, when is that 0? That's when x is 3. When is that 0? That's when x is minus 3. Okay? So I don't need to write this down to identify those 2 points. But I do know that this is a parabola that is going through 3 and minus 3 on the x-axis. Now remember, parabolas are symmetric. So your diagrams your sketches should be roughly symmetric. Okay? So maybe something like that. Okay? And so that would be minus 3, and that would be 3. And of course there's this point here that I would be interested in. Where is it crossing the y-axis? Now remember, the y-axis is when x is 0. So you can work this out by substituting x is 0 into your equation. So when x is 0, I'm going to get y is equal to 0 take away 3 times 0 plus 3. Now, of course, that's minus 3 times 3. So minus 9. And so this is minus 9. An alternative way of getting to that would have been to expand the brackets. So you would have got x squared plus 3x, take away 3x, so they cancel out, and minus 3 times 3 is minus 9. And when x is 0, you get minus 9. So you could do it that way as well. But here is the sketch that I wanted for y equals x take away 3, x plus 3.